How to group or ungroup in Canva. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To group or ungroup in your Canva, you can check out your Canva application in your device. If not, you can check out canva.com and start with entering some of the elements. To group these elements, what you can do is firstly select on an element, then tap on the shift button in your keyboard. Then click on the rest of the element. Once you do so, you will see the group icon at the top. Select on group. Once you do so, you can easily manage all of this separate element as one. This is the feature of a group. Now, if you wish to ungroup this element, just click on the elements, then tap on the ungroup option, which will be at the top. Once you do so, now you have successfully ungrouped it and you can now move an element simply like this. So this is how you can easily group or ungroup in Canva.
If you face any of the difficulty regarding this process, start by refreshing your Canva or check for the Wi-Fi connection.
Hopefully this was helpful to you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.